What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2007 Jeep Patriot, and I'm using this car to show you how to change your headlight bulbs. I'm also going to show you the two fuses important for the headlights to come on. So I've got the hood open. It's propped up here on the passenger side with that hood prop. I'm going to start with the passenger side bulb. So we're going to peer down through here, and we're going to see there is the connector for it. Real simple to disconnect. You just push on this tab here while you pull away from the bulb. And while you've got it disconnected, you'll want to take the opportunity to inspect the pins. Sometimes the bulb itself can be good, but you'll have a bad connector here. You'll see corrosion or burnt pins. Now, as far as removing the bulb, real simple. You can use the little ears on it to apply pressure to rotate it counterclockwise. So it'll rotate counterclockwise about 45 degrees, at which point you can pull it out. And you can see there's a gasket on there. It doesn't always come out. You'll want to make sure that it does come out because your new bulb will have a gasket. This bulb is a dual filament bulb for the high beam and the low beam, and it is in H13, so that's the part number there. When you're installing the new bulb, what you'll want to do is make sure, first and foremost, to not touch the glass. Touching the glass can lead to premature failure. So you get the bulb in here. You may have to rotate it around to find the proper position to where it'll slot in. At that point, you can turn it 45 degrees to the right until it no longer turns. That's when it's locked in position. And then you can slide the connector on there and push the connector in there firmly. You want to make sure that it makes great contact. So real simple. As far as the fuses go, there are no fuses for the bulbs themselves. There are, however, two fuses that go to the switches. So there's a fuse right here, this 10 amp fuse. As you can see, that's a good fuse. And another fuse right here. And since we're already here, I'll go ahead and show you on the passenger side. It might be a little trickier, a little bit tighter of a spot. We've got our battery or our hood release cable here that can kind of get in the way for some people, but pretty much the same as the other side. You push on that connector to open it up, get it to pop off, rotate it, and it'll come right out. So yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you and a good starting point in troubleshooting the headlights on your Jeep. Please let me know if you have any questions or, more importantly, any advice, and thanks for watching.